Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Scikit-Image with Python detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Scikit-Image with Python, start by ensuring you have Python installed on your system. You can verify this by opening your terminal or command prompt and typing Python version. If Python is not installed, visit the official Python website. Once you have Python installed, you will also need to have pip, which is Python's package installer. You can check if pip is installed by running pip version in the terminal. If pip is not installed, follow the instructions on the pip official documentation to get it set up. Next, decide on the environment where you want to install Scikit-Image. Using a virtual environment is recommended to manage dependencies efficiently. To create a virtual environment, navigate to your project directory in the terminal. Then, run the command python mvenv myenv, replacing myenv with your desired environment name. Activate the virtual environment by running source myenv/bin/activate on macOS or Linux. If you are on Windows, use myenv/scripts/activate instead. Once the virtual environment is activated, you should see the environment name in your terminal prompt. Now, it's time to install Scikit-Image. Run the command pip install Scikit-Image in your terminal. This will fetch the package and its dependencies from the Python package index. Wait for the installation to complete. After installation, you can verify that Scikit-Image has been successfully installed. Type pip show Scikit-Image in the terminal to see the package information. Additionally, you can test the installation by launching Python in the terminal. Type Python to start the Python interpreter. Then, import the library by running import Scikit-Image. If no errors occur, Scikit-Image has been installed correctly. You may also want to check the version of Scikit-Image by running skimage__version__. This will help you confirm that you have the latest version installed. You are now ready to start using Scikit-Image for your image processing tasks. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.